Hi, Dr. Q here from Star Nursery. It's spring planting time again, and you should have a nice prepared area with plenty of fresh organic mulch, some starter fertilizer, and that has good drainage. Now is the best time to get the best selection of plant starts to put in your garden. There's all the old favorites like tomatoes, peppers, squash, cucumbers, lettuce, and more. Even things like Swiss chard, beans, peas, artichokes, and strawberries. There are many different varieties of tomatoes to choose from for your garden, and there's something you should know before choosing your tomatoes. If you notice on our tags or on plant signs, tomato varieties are designated as either determinate or indeterminate varieties. Determinate means that the plant will grow until a flower sets on the terminal bud and then stops growing any larger. These varieties flower all at once and the fruit ripens all about the same time. These are often used by gardeners who like to do canning or making tomato sauce to freeze so they can harvest a large amount all at once. Indeterminate or vining tomatoes can continue growing, flowering, and producing fruit until the first frost. These varieties are more commonly used by home gardeners who want to harvest smaller quantities of fresh tomatoes over a longer period of time. Great looking herb varieties like basil, chives, cilantro, parsley, and more are also available now. Whether these go right into your garden or into containers, you should get them started now. Here's a few helpful hints about growing certain crops. Most varieties of vegetables and herbs prefer 6 to 8 hours of morning sun and protected from the hot afternoon sun. Give things like squash, cucumbers, watermelon, and cantaloupe plenty of room to spread out. And keep the fruit from touching the wet ground by using a layer of straw, horse bedding, or cedar mulch under the plants. Use tomato cages or stake supports for vining tomatoes and string trellises or wire supports for vining peas and beans. Use Dr. Q's vegetable and tomato food as per directions throughout the growing season to keep those crops coming on strong. For more information, check out our free Star Notes number 205 and 215 at starnursery.com or on our new Star Nursery app for your smartphone. Register for our free seminar on veggie and herb gardening at 10 a.m. Saturday, February 23rd at our Eastern, Ann Road, and Tropicana locations. And remember, I make house calls. Call 702-771-7827 to make an appointment. I'm Dr. Q, and I'll see you next week.